See that pink coming through? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Rhonda Robson and I am a fluid artist. Today I am going to be doing some bloom experiments. This is number 7, and the great thing is about this one is I took what I learned in the last one with the color palette and I swiped it, but I swiped it one direction, then I came back in another direction and another direction, and then I spun it. So I think you're gonna really like that one too. So let me get you down the canvas and show you that one. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Let me get you down below. Bye. Bye. All right, everyone. Well, I just finished a really cool bloom utilizing these colors that I have over here. And they made some, and as you can kind of see, some gorgeous looking beach feel, like sunrise beach for me. And the reason why it's so exciting for me is because I absolutely love the beach and I do a lot of beach themed stuff. So for me to have gotten that, it's just really exciting. So we're going to do another bloom. We're going to use the same thing in the sense that I am going to do the same colors I used, and I did it in like a rainbow, and then I did a swipe, and that's how I did it. So I'm going to still do a swipe, and then I will definitely, you know, stretch it out as well, so that way we can have the really cool lacing effect that happens in this technique. And I'm really excited that, you know, for the most part, it seems to be my utilizing Tammy Anderson's recipe, and then I've tweaked it to the recipe that works well for me and my location of where I live. I live in the United States in Iowa, and I have a Lowe's just really not even 5 minutes from here. And so I got the paints for myself that I could get there that were similar to what Tammy had put in her video, and I'll make sure I link her video in this experiment because she just did a really great job with it and explaining. And then also, you know, I really appreciate the fact that she spoke up about her recipe and how she came to it. And you know, we want to give all the credit to all the artists that come before us, but we also make things our own. And I'm just doing exactly what Tammy did and making Tammy's recipe my own. And so, you know, you can make it your own too as well. Whatever works for you, I would do, right? So, okay, so let's do this again. And I'm going to do it in a across here. You know, I thought about, now I'm going to do it on this one. I'm going to do what I said. I want to reinvent or redo what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and put the purple along here. And then I just did it almost like the rainbow color. So purple, blue, a darker blue anyway. And then I did a turquoise green, which is cobalt blue actually. That's the color that this is. It is a Artist Loft color and it's a metallic. And then I have a light blue green color here, kind of an aqua almost. And then I went to gold. And then I did the pink. And I'm going to make these a little bit, I don't know, longer. the blue, and the cobalt blue. And I'm probably putting too much paint on here again, but I've got the paint and I don't want to, I want to try different things. I want to experiment. So, and then the gold, let's go ahead and go all the way to the end too as well here. Okay, so now I'm going to take this white, which is my cell activator. So I've got my pillow on here, and then I have my cell activator, which I'm just going to put across the top of this purple. And I'm going to take my palette knife and I'm going to come across like that. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. And then my palette knife across like that. And then I think I'm going to need some more here in the center. And across like that. I wish I wouldn't have gotten in there, but that's okay. Kind of is what it is. That's what happens. You're not paying attention. And so I'm just going to let that kind of sit there for a little bit and develop the cells that it's developing here and just everywhere. I do see some air bubbles pockets, so I'm going to go ahead and torch this. Okay, that's all I want, is just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my palette knife and I'm going to create a heart right here, okay, starting from this blue dot. Yeah, this would have looked a lot prettier if I wouldn't have re-gone through there. Just trying to do different things. Okay, so now see how there's paint here and there's just white, so I'm just going to take this and drag it through there. Same thing over here. And then let's go ahead and just spin this a little bit. See that pink coming through? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I think I'm losing my heart. Yeah, I don't like this at all. That was the second swipe, remember? All right, so let's do my heart again. So this battery is almost dead, but I'm going to go ahead and try this one last thing while I have you, hopefully. And just take this white and come across here. I'll take pictures and I'll show you the end results. But
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.